Good morning. Back in the US, and it's cold. Got a little bit spoiled in the south of Portugal. 60 degrees in the morning, 72 degrees during the day. Rinse, repeat. Sunny every day, but that's all right. The good news is it looks like we're hitting the road first Sunday in January. I think that would be January 8th. I'm excited about that. Just a quick update today, just to let you know what's next. Next video will most likely be packing, organizing the Pando whenever there's a nice day, you know, low 40s, mid 40s. I'll get into the Pando and try to get it ready to go. When I'm on the trail without Brady, it just isn't the same. It just isn't the same. I just constantly think about him, and I know he's wondering where I'm at, so I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I think this Portugal trip made me realize that Brady needs to be here with me, or it's just not as enjoyable for me. It's just the way it is, guys. I can't explain it. But the bond that I have with this little man surprises me, scares me, but it also makes me so happy to be able to feel it. I mean, there are times where we go a full week, certainly 3 or 4 days, without a word said to one another. We communicate via gestures, eye contact, and we just know what we want from one another that way. It's pretty cool. It's hard to explain, but I guarantee you guys, I've had dogs my whole life. Awesome dogs. This thing that exists between Brady and I is it's unusual, and I'm so grateful for him, and I'll never hike without him again. The plan is to depart Sunday morning, January 8th, arrive sometime on Tuesday or early Wednesday into Lake Havasu. We'll see how things are at that point before we head south into Mexico. I'm so excited. I think next week, also, barring any unexpected nice days. I'm gonna let you know why I chose the Pando 2.0, what led me to it, and why I ultimately decided that was the rig for me. There'll be a much more extensive video sometime in Mexico, I would think, on all the Pando systems and how they've held, and my honest opinion of the rig in general. But I need to test it first, and test it I will. Once I'm familiar with it 100% and can say with certainty how the trailer works or doesn't work, then I'll make a more extensive video and answer any questions you might have. What I've done to the Pando so far with the solar system and the lithium upgrade has not been done before, to my knowledge. Not like this. It's pretty freaking sweet. So proof's in the pudding though, so we're gonna see how it all works once we hit the road and really test it out. Although I love my Tag XL, I'm not going to attempt to compare the Pando with the Tag. There's no comparison. It's not a fair comparison, and neither is the price point. They just aren't made for the same thing, really. The Tag, if you're a true minimalist, perhaps like I am, you can make do with it full time in 4 seasons. But it'll catch up to you. It's more of a weekend, long weekend, maybe a week, you know, out there. It'll take you where you want to go though. Definitely. I recommend it. I recommend the Tag. But I needed something a little bit more versatile in terms of being able to have more water, be out there more and more, you know, more extended periods of time, like you guys know I like to do. Way out there. I felt myself constantly thinking about water as the main thing. So yeah, it's just not a comparison. As you know by now, this channel really isn't about me. It's about nature and adventure. That being said, next couple weeks there just isn't much content. It's winter and Christmas, New Year's, and I just need to get ready to go. But you know, you'll follow along with that. So we're looking at about 3 weeks till departure time. And it's gonna go by in a flash. There's so much to do. I hope you tune in for that. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is that you celebrate. And I hope the next year brings you joy and adventure.